Hi guys, so I just got back from my Asian market and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I got Joseph this cute little cow that is piggy bank, and it has all kinds of like little jello candies. Watch, let me show you. So it has these little jello candies that you just twist and suck. We also got some chicken and rice and some spring rolls because I don't know what it is. I don't know if I'm pregnant or something, but I've been craving spring rolls literally every day is what I've been eating. And I don't feel bad anymore if I'm giving my boxes for $12 to $8 because this was $8, guys. $8 freaking dollars. But anyways, we are gonna have lunch with you guys today. We're gonna eat some chicken and rice and some spring rolls, and we got our little Asian drinks. We also got a boba milk. I don't know what the hell that is. This chicken and rice place has the little red sauce, and they put it in like a little baggies. It's actually super spicy and salty. What, puppy? Hi. The spring rolls come like in a little peanut sauce, and you just dip your spring roll and you eat it. I like mine spicy. Oh shit. For the drinks, we got the little marble ones. It just tastes like flavored water. Now I'm gonna try this thing, but I can't open it with my damn nails. Found a fork. Let's try it. I thought there was gonna be little black balls in here, the little boba. There isn't, but it does taste like a milk tea. And then this is gonna be my last bite because I'm running out of time. Hi guys, so we just came back from our Asian market and the flea market, and I want to show you guys a lot of the cool stuff that we got. So I got a big jackfruit from the Asian market, and I also got these little, I don't know what these are, but we're gonna try them out. We got a couple of drinks too, and I stocked up on everything for my spring rolls because, you know, I've been a little on the obsessed side with those. I also found these silkworms. I want to try them out. So if you guys know how to make them, if you guys have tried them, please let me know in the comments. Some longanisa, some caviar lemons. I've never heard of them. These are some nancies. I used to eat these in Mexico, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a snack, how I used to eat them in Mexico. Hold on. This Asian market sells Chinese food. So today we're going to be eating some Chinese food. Chow mein and some fried rice, orange chicken, and some chop suey. And I might be fucking it up by putting all this stuff to my food, but buttholes are gonna be burning tonight. For my drink, I'm gonna have a guanabano nectar drink. We used to have these in Mexico too, but I used to call them guanabana, so I don't know if I was calling them the wrong name, but that's what I know it as, guanabana. And it tastes just like I remember. I haven't had that in years. So I went to the flea market in search of fidget toys because I'm gonna be doing a lot of fidget toy stuff on my YouTube shorts. I really don't know what to do for YouTube, so I don't know, I need an idea. This is the chow mein, and then this is spicy, a little bit of the chop suey, and this is chicken and rice. No, this is orange chicken. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Bye bye, bye bye, Jim. This is the fried rice. What? What, Gigi? Ma. What? Hi. Hi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. My last bite because I'm running out of time, and don't forget to use my promo code for the coldest water. It really is the badass water bottle. I carry it with me everywhere. It's not just to be, you know, promoting it. Ready, Gigi? Can you say bye? Bye. Bye. Let me show you guys this cool fruit called a caviar lemon. Now I came across these little babies on the Facebook market and I never seen one before in my life. And the reason they call it a caviar lemon is because the inside looks like caviar. So I'm just gonna cut one open so I can show you guys what the inside looks like. These are super fun to eat and they literally feel like pop rocks in your mouth. It's like a burst of lemony goodness going on in your mouth. Look how beautiful this lemon is. Has anybody else came across one of these lemons? I swear the popping is everything. At this point, I know I'm doing the most, so bye! Hi guys, so I went to the Asian market and I found these little marble drinks and they have like a little marble right here. And I just wanted to show you guys how to open them because I don't think everybody knows how to open them because I didn't know at the beginning. So it comes, there's like a little cap that comes, right? And you have to take it off, I think, to this little point. And you're gonna stick it in here where the marble is at. And then you just push it. Or you bang it or you push it. I don't fucking know. I'm here teaching you guys. I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about. And it drops the marble. What does it do? What's the purpose of the marble? I don't know. It just looks cool. If anybody knows if that marble is there for a reason, please let me know. This is lychee or lychee flavor. I saw that flavor a lot at the Asian market today, so I'm assuming that's just something really popular. And it's carbonated. It's not super sweet like a soda. 17 grams of sugar. I mean, it's still kind of sweet, but it's not as sweet as a sugar. I mean, a sweet soda. There it is. You want some? Drink it. Bye. Let's pack today's lunchbox for my friends and followers. Today's Monday, and honestly, I just wanted to keep it super simple and fresh. I had no idea where I was going with this dish. All I knew is that I didn't want them starving and I wanted for them to have something delicious. So today I'm making them longaniza with steamed rice and some big papa spring rolls. On one side of my comal, I'm going to grill the longaniza, and on the other side, I'm going to do the shrimpies. And you already know, if you guys are interested on any of my pots and pans or comales, the link's in my bio. First, I'm going to begin to plate the steamed rice and the longaniza because that's just what it is. Steamed rice and longaniza. And I top my rice with a fried egg or a sunny side up egg, whatever you know it as. And since it was looking a little on the plain side, I decided to add a side salad. And on the other side, we're gonna add the peanut sauce that we're gonna use to dip our spring rolls. Now let's make them. Soak my rice paper in a little bit of warm water. Then I add some lettuce, a little bit of spring mix, some shredded carrots, mint, cilantro, a little bit of cucumber slices, and of course our rice noodles. Then I add a couple more slices of longaniza and I begin to roll my spring roll, only to stop halfway to add my shrimpies. Then I tuck the sides and finish rolling my big papa spring roll. I want to split one in half just so you guys can take a look at what the inside looks like. Last time I spent $8 on 2 spring rolls, and trust me, they look nothing or taste nothing like these. For the peanut sauce, I'm going to use a couple tablespoons of peanut butter, some chili sauce, the one with the green cap, and so their buttholes can be burning, I'm using the 2 times spicy sauce, some soy sauce, a little bit of water just to thin it out because this peanut butter is literally just peanuts, so it's super thick. Then I mix it up and put it in small little containers. Everybody's getting one big papa spring roll along with their longaniza and rice. For their drinks, they said no soda option, just give them some pumpkin spice horchata. They actually really love this agua fresca. So that's what I made them. And that's it, guys. Now I'm just gonna get everything ready for them, including their drinks, and they come and pick up during lunchtime. Bye!